In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. I often change default browsers on devices I'm testing, so today we'll go with Firefox. When you're done, you need to exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Scroll down to Hit Apps. And from here there are a couple of simple steps. Hit Apps, tap on Choose Default Apps, and pick one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Last but not least, click on an app you wish to apply as your new default and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!